Thousands of Louisville Ford workers. That is, as the auto giant and its union, UAW, have 2 more days to agree on a new contract. There are 2 Ford manufacturing plants within the metro, employing a total of more than 12,000 people. The Ford Kentucky truck plant is in eastern Jefferson County, and the Ford Louisville assembly plant is on Fern Valley Road. That's where we find reporter Isaiah Kim Martinez today, looking at how a strike could impact our businesses.
Ford workers here at the Louisville assembly plant provide a consistent flow of customers for nearby businesses, which is why for so many of them, particularly the restaurants, so much rides on these negotiations this week. It's business as usual for union workers at the 2 prominent Ford manufacturing facilities in Louisville, at least for the next 2 days. After that, it's up in the air for right now.
We get quite a bit of business from the union workers around here.
Nearby businesses are watching closely.
We supported the Cisco drivers when they were on strike, and we're prepared to stand behind UPS, and we will stand behind Ford as well.
Mike Smith, manager at Stooges Bar and Grill, tells me union employees make up around 85% of their revenue. His restaurant just down the road from the Louisville assembly plant. Stooges employees wearing these pins in support of the UAW's effort Tuesday.
Whether it's before work, after work, or for lunch break. So once we get down to the nitty-gritty, it really does, start in our minds about affecting our business.
Smith confirms a strike, particularly an extended one, could be detrimental.
It's a traumatic experience for the industry when it happens, for both sides. It's really not good for anyone.
Meanwhile, for dealerships, the potential impact could be on the wait for supplies to be delivered.
But if we cannot get those parts in, then those parts shipments are going to be delayed, which then is going to be a little bit more difficult on our customers.
But Kevin Collins at Bill Collins Ford on Bardstown Road believes relations between the auto giant and its union are better now compared to previous years. He believes that bodes well for the result businesses across Louisville all want, a done deal. In Louisville, Isaiah Kim Martinez, WHAS 11 on your side.
The president of UAW Local 862, Todd Dunn, tells us the ball is in the company's court. He said he's confident in a deal getting done before the deadline, but also says union workers are well prepared to strike if necessary. Earlier today, Kentucky Governor Randy Beshear spoke about what a strike would mean for Kentucky's economy. He said he and his team are closely monitoring the situation, and he does hope the 2 sides will come up with a win-win situation.
UAW are thousands of our families here in Kentucky that deserve good wages. We've got to find a win-win here. Kentucky needs a strong Ford and a strong UAW. We need a Ford that is profitable, that creates new jobs, that continues to invest, as well as living great wages and benefits for our families.
Once again, that strike is set to take place at midnight on Thursday if no deal is reached.